Charity, it's a small NGO from Romania. We are based in the capital, in Bucharest. And so far, we've been involved with rural communities in Romania doing medical services for the kids, especially those services who are not provided there. The most important is dentistry. We do dentistry through our mobile clinics. We have 2 mobile clinics, and we travel with them and with dentist volunteers and offer free checkups and treatment to the kids.
Este important ceea ce face Mercy Charity cu acest proiect.
Cum am spus, oferă unor copii niște servicii la care altfel nu ar avea acces și poate că e important și că astfel ei realizează că ar trebui să aibă acces la serviciile astea și că cumva astăzi au făcut stoma, au fost testați pentru diabet și știu și în viitor că ar trebui să testeze periodic de anumite lucruri, să meargă periodic la doctor.
We found kids with many dental problems, and if we haven't had intervened at that point, it would become like a tragedy, like losing their teeth. Since they were living in poor communities, it would have been financially impossible to get their teeth back. It's expensive. There were a lot of kids who had problems that for some they were already serious.
Ce v-a făcut să vă aduceți aici?
Având în vedere că copiii sunt un pic plinuți, am zis că se merită. La dințișori, la ochișori, Alexia are o problemă micuță la ochișori și m-a încântat ideea.
Credeți că pe viitor ar mai fi nevoie de astfel de evenimente? Ați mai participa?
Cum să nu, da?
Da?
Mare drag.
Sigur?
Yeah, money are really important, so our dreams are quite big, and therefore we need money all the time for our activities. It's important to know that we don't ask for money to the kids or to the parents, so everything it's for free. While we were driving in that village, other kids saw us, then they went to school and they said that they would like for us to come back in the community and continue the work. So sometimes we offer the services to a community of 30 kids, sometimes it's 300 kids.